I've been paying $22 a month for ElevenLabs voice generation, but I just discovered something that's completely free and actually sounds better. If you're creating content, podcasts, or YouTube videos, this could save you hundreds of dollars every year. Let me show you exactly how to access it. Look, ElevenLabs is amazing, but here's the reality. $22 a month for just 100 minutes of voice generation. If you're serious about content creation, you'll hit that limit fast. Scale up and you're looking at $100+ monthly. That's over $1,200 per year. But what if I told you Google has released something that gives you unlimited voice generation, supports 30+ voices in 24 languages, and it's completely free. No credit card, no trials, just pure value. Meet Google AI Studio. And this isn't just another text-to-speech tool. This uses Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro model, the same AI powering their newer innovations. Here's what makes it incredible. Unlimited voice generation, no monthly limits, 30+ ultra-realistic voices, 24+ languages with auto-dubbing, multi-speaker conversations, emotional expressions, laughs, even coughs, and it's 100% free. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, head over to aistudio.google.com. I'll put the link down below in the description. Sign in with your Google account. That's it. No payment information required. Once you land the home page, click Generate Native Speech with Gemini from this. Or if you don't find this here, you can go to Generate Media and click Gemini Speech Generation. And here's where the magic happens. Instead of complex settings like ElevenLabs, you just describe what you want in natural language. Okay, so this is the standard Google AI Studio media generation interface. You can use multi-speaker mode or single speaker mode. And here are the modal options. If you select multi-speaker mode, you can select the speaker name for both, and you can select the voice from the list here. You can do the same for speaker 2. Here's where you write the raw structure and the script is built as you write it here. For comparison purpose, I'm going to use a single speaker mode, and the style instruction by default looks like this. Read aloud in a warm and friendly tone. In order to compare it with the output from ElevenLabs, I modified the instruction a tad bit, so here's how it looks. Read aloud in an engaging, youthful, Gen Z-like and faster-paced, excited tone. So I've already run this and I've already created the output. So let's compare it with the output from ElevenLabs. As you can see, the settings in ElevenLabs is more advanced and complex, but you can say it all by typing it in the style instructions in Google Studio. So let's compare it. First of all, let's hear the output from ElevenLabs.
When this Formula One driver pulled up to the hotel, he decided to have a little fun with the valet. But the valet's reaction to what the driver handed him instead of a key left everyone completely speechless.
Okay, now let's move ahead to the output from Google AI Studio.
When this Formula One driver pulled up to the hotel, he decided to have a little fun with the valet. But the valet's reaction to what the driver handed him instead of a key left everyone completely speechless.
Okay, perfect. What do you think? I like this one better because this one sounds more exciting to hear and it's perfect for YouTube. Now here's modal settings that you might want to play around. It's called temperature and it adjusts the creativity allowed in the responses. So if you set it to 0, then there will be no creativity added by the engine. But if you set it to higher values like 2, the upper limit, then it's going to use more creativity in the response. So it's totally up to you. I generally set it at around 1. And what this does is it fixes some typos and some grammatical errors in the text that I've entered. Let's break down why this is game changing. ElevenLabs cost $22 per month, while Google AI Studio is completely free. The voice quality in Google AI Studio often sounds more natural. Talking about language support, Google wins with 24+ languages versus ElevenLabs limited options. Ease of use. Google uses natural language prompts, whereas ElevenLabs has complex interface. Talking about limitations, ElevenLabs has monthly minute caps. Google has none. Okay, the real talk. ElevenLabs still wins on voice cloning and some emotional nuances, but for 90% of creators, Google AI Studio is superior. So if you are a YouTuber, business owner, or a content creator, you can utilize Google AI Studio for multiple use cases. I've already replaced 80% of my ElevenLabs users with this. Having said that, I want to be fully transparent with you guys, and here are the few things you should know. Google AI Studio is still in development, so features might change. Voice cloning isn't available yet, and some very specific emotional tones might be better on ElevenLabs. But honestly, for free unlimited access to this quality, these are minor trade-offs. So that's it for this video. Try Google AI Studio yourself using the link below and drop a comment with your first voice generation result. Subscribe for more tech tips that actually save you money, and smash that like button if this really worked for you. And I'll see you in the next video where I'm revealing another free AI tool that rivals premium services. Stay tuned.